If you've ever heard or seen the word assuage or assuagement being used and not quite sure what they meant, you're not alone. To stop being embarrassed or confused by supercilious people who like to obfuscate what they're saying by using urbane words does take a larger vocabulary. What that means is that you can stay in the know as to what is being said or written by people who think they're better than you are, and they're not, as they try to talk over your head by hiding the real meaning of what they're saying with sophisticated words. To communicate at a higher level and truly understand those supercilious and obfuscating people means that you need to build up and increase your word knowledge by investing just a few minutes of your time and setting a goal of learning and using at least 1 to 3 advanced words a week. Today's advanced vocabulary words are assuage and its variation of assuagement. A good comprehensive meaning of assuage is to reduce, lessen, or stop the intensity, severity of a feeling or a condition. Similar words or synonyms of assuage are to calm, soothe, relieve, alleviate, ease, satisfy, lessen, decrease, reassure, and comfort. Antonyms or opposite words of assuage are increase, intensify, escalate, provoke, worry, aggravate, infuriate, anger, agitate, and fluster. Here's several sentences of how assuage, that's a verb, is used in a sentence. This statement was meant to assuage the fear and anxiety people have, but all it did was create more questions and concerns about the truth of the matter. Her reply back to the reporter did little to assuage his questions about the events clearly heard and seen in the video. Hundreds of volunteers brought medical supplies, clothing, food, and water to assuage the needs of the people who lost everything from the flooding. The candidate's promises to assuage the concerns and fears of voters, if elected, fell on deaf ears and empty seats that led to his eventual withdrawal from the race. When assuagement, the noun form of assuage, is used in a sentence, it sounds like this. The promise was meant as an assuagement of guilt for what happened in the past, but in reality was just another attempted bribe to quiet the protesters. The doctor successfully performed the simple procedure that provided a high degree of assuagement to her suffering. The best way to learn more advanced vocabulary words is to learn at least 1 to 3 words a week and then start using them in your conversations, presentations, and videos as soon and as often as possible, just like the one on your screen right now. Remember that my goal is to vociferously and sagaciously provide you with a preponderance of words and techniques to help you increase your communication skills in school, at work, and in your life. I'll see you online soon.